Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I like to explain how power works in an electrical circuit, as well as explain how it is similar to power in mechanics discussed earlier. In particular, if you remember from mechanics, power equals the amount of work done or energy transferred over a given time interval. This same exact logic holds true for electrical circuits. So because we know voltage is the electrical force causing the electricity to move, and current is the displacement over time or flow rate of the electricity, we should be able to guess that power in electricity is expressed as P equals I times V, just like in mechanics it is expressed as F times D all over T, where the voltage represents the F and the current represents the D over T. We should be able to see because of this. The power dissipated always adds up, regardless of whether you are looking at a series or parallel circuit. So we can use this fact/theory in order to verify that our analysis of a complicated series parallel circuit is accurate. Because if either the overall power is incorrect or an individual power is incorrect, then you have not analyzed the circuit properly, and this is always true, even if current, voltage, and resistance becomes more messy. If you are comfortable with algebra, you can also plug in Ohm's law for V. So power can also be expressed as I times I, or I squared times R. Or alternatively, you could rewrite current as voltage divided by resistance and get voltage squared over R. It is important to notice that just like with resistance or current, if there is no voltage at a particular point, there is no power dissipated either. Because for energy to be dissipated, there must be something doing work, which in the case of electricity is voltage. In my next tutorial video, I like to talk about a more complicated maneuver than just simple addition, known as Kirchhoff's laws, which are used for voltage and current specifically, and not resistance, nor power. And we will see a reason why it is like this when we investigate problems with it in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see the other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.